Digital Cookie Training mobile app for Girl Scouts and caregivers. This video will show you how to use the Girl Scout Digital Cookie mobile app with your Girl Scout, including logging in, sharing the Girl Scout cookie site, placing an order, viewing orders, approving and declining orders. Users will start by downloading the Digital Cookie mobile app from the iTunes or Google Play Store. The app is free and can be found by searching for Digital Cookie mobile app. Users should download a new version or update their app every year. To log in to the mobile app, you will use the same email and password you use to access Digital Cookie. Please note the app will only work if the Girl Scouts Digital Cookie site is set up, approved, and the Council's mobile app access date has started. Once you log in, it's possible that you will see multiple roles. If you have multiple Girl Scouts, you'll see each of their names. And then if the troop site is set up, you will see the troop role. The troop role is primarily used to take cookie orders at a cookie booth. So this video is going to show you just how to use the mobile app with your Girl Scout. So you're going to select your Girl Scout that you are working with is your home page. First at the top under her name, you can see switch profile. That's where you could click on that to switch to your other Girl Scout or to the troop if need be. You can also see her goal and how far along she is to reaching it. You can also then click on new cookie order. This is where you will place orders directly through the app. You can click Visit My Site, and this will display a QR code for the Girl Scouts cookie site for customers to scan and purchase cookies. You can email my site, and this is where Girl Scouts can send their cookie link to potential customers via email. And you have a View Cash Summary section. This is where you can review the total cash collected for the day, including a breakdown by cookie variety. Then at the very bottom, you will view and manage all orders by the different delivery methods. So first we're going to start with a new cookie order. So once you click New Cookie Order, you can see that you have begun to process the order. You can see that the delivery option at the top has been defaulted to Give Now. It will default to Give Now unless the last option you used was a different delivery type. To change it, you simply tap the Update link and then select the new delivery type. For this part of the video, we will go through Give Now delivery type. So we want to enter in the number of cookie packages the customer wants to purchase by using the plus and minus signs. And scroll through. We can add a donate cookie package if we need, and then click Checkout. From here, we will review the order. And at the bottom, we will select how the customer would like to pay. When your delivery type is Give Now, you have the option to collect cash through the mobile app. Simply select cash and a calculator will appear. You can see that the calculator has added up how much cash is needed for the order. Simply type in the received box how much cash the customer has given. If there is change, it will tell the Girl Scout how much change is needed to give back to the customer. And at the bottom, you can fill out the customer's information to send a receipt via email or just to keep their information saved in Digital Cookie for future years or to send a thank you email. Or if there is ever an issue with their order, it is always best to have that customer's information to be able to look up the order easily. Once that is filled out, you can click Place Order. Now, in the cash section here, The customer details is optional, so you can place the order without entering in any information. If the customer wanted to pay via credit card, you simply click credit card and the information here will pop up. You can use the scan feature here and then enter in the rest of the payment details. Once that is completed, you will then add the customer information and click place order. If the customer wants to pay via Venmo or PayPal, you simply click on that option and select place order. A QR code will appear and you can now show your phone to the customer and they can scan the QR code to complete the checkout on their end, as shown on the next screen. Once the order has been completed, you will receive the order confirmation screen and you can say, yes, I've handed the cookies to the customer and we're finished. And now you'll go back to the home screen to where you can place a new cookie order. If you do not have the cookies in hand and you are just taking pre-orders, you can use the deliver later option, or you could be missing a cookie variety and then you can use the deliver later option as well to place that cookie order. It's very similar to the previous steps that we just reviewed for Give Now, where you select the cookie varieties and then you enter the customer's information, you review the order, and select the payment type. Same as for if you were to place a shipped order. It is easier to use the visit my site or email my site for the deliver later or shipped options. That way the customer can go to the site and place that order directly. They can enter their own information instead of the Girl Scout typing it all on their phone. Those options are available to you. If we click visit my site, here we see the QR code. You just turn your phone around, the customer scans it, and they automatically take into the Girl Scouts cookie site. And the email my site is where the Girl Scout will type in the customer's name and email address and send that email. Now that contact information is sent to the digital cookie site on the customers page at the bottom so that the Girl Scout can review that section and add them to her customer list for future years, or to send a thank you email and to monitor if that customer has placed any cookie orders. The View Cash Sales Summary. Here you can see how much total cash has been collected and total packages sold, and a breakdown by the cookie varieties. Now when you scroll down to the all orders, here you will see all the orders placed for the Girl Scout. You can see any cookies in hand. These are the Give Now orders that have been placed through the mobile app. You can see if there are any orders that need to be approved or orders that need to be delivered, orders that have been delivered. You can see your shipped orders and your donation orders, all from the digital cookie app. To see the specific details for an order, you can click on the arrow here, and this will open all of the orders that are in this delivery section. So here we have one order that needs to be approved. So to see the specific details for this order, we click the green arrow again. And here we can review the order. We can see how many days we have left to approve. We can view what cookie varieties the customer has requested. And if we're able to deliver this order, we can approve the order from the mobile app,
or if there is an issue, we can decline the order as well. To approve the order, simply click the Approve Order button, and you are all done. The order has now been sent down to the Orders to Deliver section, so we can look at that section here. See here we have 3 orders that need to be delivered. So we're going to open the order that we just did, and we're going to say this order has been delivered. So now we're going to click and mark it as delivered. The customer then is receiving their confirmation email saying that the order was approved, and once the order has been delivered, the customer will receive an email confirmation saying that the order was delivered. And that is using the mobile app with your Girl Scout. I have more videos to help you navigate through Digital Cookie as well as the mobile app. So check with your local council for those links to view additional videos on how to use the mobile app at a cookie booth.